Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am so excited to share with you ShowUI, which I believe is quite a nifty model vis-a-vis framework when it comes to generating GUI agents. What this project does in very simple words is provides you a vision language action model for GUI agents. Creating computer assistants that can interact with GUI or graphical user interfaces has the potential to greatly improve human productivity. But most current assistants rely on language based interactions or text based interactions, in other words, and they really struggle to understand visual elements of GUIs. This limitation highlights the need for GUI visual agents that can perceive and interact with visual interfaces. To address this challenge, they have developed a new model called as ShowUI. ShowUI features several innovative components, including a way to reduce computational costs by selectively focusing on relatively visual elements in web pages or any other interface, and a method for combining visual language and action inputs into a single stream. They have also created a new dataset for training GUI visual agents, which include a range of high quality instructions and screenshots, and you can access it from this GitHub repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. The experiments have shown that ShowUI is highly effective and has achieved 75% accuracy in zero shot screenshot grounding. Additionally, the model's selective focus on relevant visual elements reduces redundant computations by 33% and speeds up performance by 1.4%. This is really amazing. And the model size is just 2 billion, which is really cool. And that is available on Hugging Face. Now, let's try to get it installed. I will be installing it locally and then we will launch a Gradio demo and we will play around with this and you will see how it works. Before I move forward, let me give a huge thanks to AgentQL who are sponsoring the VM and the whole video, I would say. And AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. So do check them out. Okay, so let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04. Let me create a virtual environment with Conda. Let's wait for it. And now let's git clone the repo of this ShowUI, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And then all we need to do is to install all the requirements, which include various packages which are required for it. And this is going to take 4 to 5 minutes, so let's wait. And it has taken 7 minutes to reach to this stage. Installed a lot of things here, shouldn't take too long now. Okay, eventually everything is installed, thankfully. Let's now run this in a Gradio demo. I'm just going to run this app.py from the root of the repo. And first time when you run it, it is going to download all the models, the clip and this model.save tensors, and you can see the model size is just under 4.5 gig, which is very small. It is still downloading the models, as you can see. And after downloading the model, it has automatically launched it in our browser at as a Gradio demo at localhost on the default port 7860. And now you can play around with it. You can either upload your own screenshots or you can use some of the examples. And let me show you how it works. So for example, I'll just click on this download Kindle. And now it is showing us a screenshot of Kindle here. And let me also actually show you in the, or maybe I'll just run it. So what we are saying here is that download Kindle. So this is our prompt. So what this model is going to do, it is going to perform the vision on this screenshot of this e-commerce website, and then it is going to put a red dot or red point on the output image where it is supposed to do that, and then subsequently the agents can go in and then download that for us and maybe buy it for us. So if you really think about it, this is groundbreaking. Anyway, so let me run it here and just look at the speed. There you go, it's so fast. And this is a Kindle and it has put a red dot here. How good is that? Really, really good stuff. Now, for example, I want to say to it that download maybe this photometer. So it should just place this red dot here on this download. Let me click on submit. And it just occupies around 6 GB of VRAM. That's it. There you go. So now red dot is here on the get one. How good is that? And now let's take another example. For example, we have this screenshot, maybe in PNG format or JPEG format, where we want our agent to post comments on our behalf. So for that, the vision model should first identify where exactly to post the comment. A lot of buttons are there, so it should be putting or clicking on post here. So how do we do that? Let's go back to our ShowUI, and then from here, let me upload this image. So in this one, all I'm doing it, I'm just asking it to post my comment, and I'm hoping that it is going to identify this post button just below the comment box. So let me submit it. And there you go. You can see that it has very correctly identified the post button and it has put in the red dot there. How good is that? And again, it's a very, very small, simple model which is just providing sort of the vision capabilities to our AI agents. And similarly, in another example, let's suppose we want our agents to click on search bar because we want to search something. So this is a screenshot. I have already uploaded it here and it has, so I'm just asking it to click on search bar. Let's click on submit. And there you go. You can see the red dot here on the search bar. It is, I think this is fine as long as it clicks within this boundary. This should be fine. And as I mentioned earlier, they also have shared the dataset, which is really good stuff from the desktop with various images, instructions, bounding boxes and stuff, which you can check it on Hugging Face. So all you need to do is to just go to Show Lab or just search with ShowUI. It is going to not only show you this dataset which you can use, or you can also get the model safe tensor from Hugging Face. It's also present on the Hugging Face, and they have also shared some of the coding examples here. If you don't want to do it in GUI, you want to do it in this way, you can also do that quite easily. Also, towards the end, I want to thank Massed Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.